Hello, welcome to this onboarding video. In this video, I'll be walking you through how to create your agency account. First, go to your browser and type this link. The link would be in the description. This page will appear where you provide these details, and when you are done, click on the sign up button. You will receive an activation email in your email inbox. Activate your account and you'll be redirected to a login page. Log into your new account and provide more details about your agency. Once complete, you'll be logged into your dashboard, where you'll find an overview of your campaigns, transactions, contacts, and email performance. To manage your client account effectively, your client has to sign up for a regular MAILER user account, not an agency account. Then from their MAILER dashboard, your client would send an invitation to your email using the role Marketing Specialist. This surely connects their workspace to your agency profile. Once you have accepted, you gain access to manage their account as their designated marketing specialist. You start earning 10% on all payments made by your connected clients, including monthly or annual subscription fees, email volume usage, SMS usage, any additional paid features. To check your earnings, go to Settings on your sidebar, click on Agent Dashboard, and that is where you see your earnings. This is also where you add your payout account details to receive your earnings. Now moving on to how to create an audience, import a list, create a campaign, as well as gain access to your organization account. We have tutorial videos that explain each bit by bit. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial video.